Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the essentials: location services on, permission granted to Google Maps, and high accuracy mode selected. This matters because maps use GPS, Wi-Fi, and cell networks together. Once done, force quit Maps and reopen it so the app requires sensors. This refresh often resolves stale location. If your phone has a case or magnet, remove it. Interference changes readings. You'll proceed to recalibrate and verify sensor data next, making sure each step reduces possible. Now recalibrate and validate. You perform a figure-8 motion to align the compass because magnetic drift causes large pointer errors. Then watch the blue dot. If it wiggles and shows a small accuracy ring, GPS lock is good. If the ring is large, try toggling Wi-Fi and mobile data. Maps uses Wi-Fi fingerprints to refine location. You should also compare your position to a visible landmark. This confirms whether the error is systematic or intermittent, guiding your next fixes. Finish with deeper remedies. Clear Google Maps cache or reinstall the app. Corrupted cache data can lock a wrong position. Make sure your OS and Google Play services are updated, since algorithm improvements and bug fixes change how location is computed. If you still see errors, use the app's Report a Problem feature or test another navigation app to isolate device versus app issues. Troubleshooting tip: if location jumps wildly, try a factory network reset only after backing up. It removes corrupted radio profile.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.